Welcome back to Bad Attitude C-10.
Well, I've spoken with several subscribers that had sent messages and asking about why we're not lubing certain parts or torquing items down and stuff like that when we do our initial install. And I've explained that, a lot of the time when you're building something for the first time, you end up doing rework, or you find stuff that might be better than what you originally used, which actually will lead to rework or reassembly. So until we know everything that's on the truck is what we're finalizing and going to run with, I don't do a lot of stuff such as using torque seal after torquing down bolts, or oiling, or putting anti-seize on my shocks and stuff like that. And this is one of them things. Came across a set of Wilwood DynaPro brakes for the front to put on the C-10, and we'll lose about 35 pounds. They are dual piston, so we'll have a little more stopping power with them, and it's just a better fit for what we're doing. So today we'll be doing front brake upgrade take 3. Well, that's going to wrap this install up. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.